Hi folks, welcome to my travel vlog on Switzerland trip. Welcome to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Hello and welcome to this comprehensive guide to the top 10 places to visit in Switzerland. Switzerland is a country in Europe that is renowned for its picturesque landscapes, majestic mountains, and charming cities. This guide will take you on a virtual tour of some of the most beautiful and fascinating places that Switzerland has to offer. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 places to visit in Switzerland. One. Lake Geneva. Located in western Switzerland, Lake Geneva is one of the largest lakes in Europe and offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and nearby cities. Visitors can take a boat tour of the lake, relax on the shore, or visit one of the many museums and cultural attractions in the area. One of the must-visit attractions near Lake Geneva is the Jet d'eau, a 140-meter tall fountain located in the heart of Geneva. The Jet d'eau is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Geneva and provides a stunning backdrop for photos and sightseeing. Another popular attraction in the Lake Geneva area is the Chateau de Chillon, a well-preserved medieval castle located on the shores of the lake. 2. Zurich. Zurich is the largest city in Switzerland and is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. With its many museums, art galleries, and cultural events, Zurich is a must-visit destination for those interested in history and the arts. One of the must-visit attractions in Zurich is the Grossmünster, a 12th-century Romanesque church that towers over the city. Visitors can climb the church's tower for stunning views of the city and lake below. Another popular attraction in Zurich is the Kunsthaus, one of the largest and most important art museums in Switzerland. The Kunsthaus is home to a vast collection of art and artifacts from around the world, including works by Swiss, European, and American artists. 3. Grindelwald. Grindelwald is a small village located in the Swiss Alps, known for its breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and glaciers. Visitors can go hiking or skiing in the winter, or simply relax and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of the village. One of the must-visit attractions in Grindelwald is the Eiger, a mountain that towers over the village and offers stunning views of the surrounding peaks. Visitors can take a guided tour of the mountain or hike to the summit for an unforgettable experience. Another popular attraction in Grindelwald is the First, a mountain meadow that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks and valleys. Visitors can take a cable car or hike to the summit for an unforgettable experience. Four. Lucerne. Lucerne is a charming city located in central Switzerland that is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and beautiful lakefront. With its many cultural events, historical landmarks, and natural beauty, Lucerne is a must-visit destination for those interested in Swiss history and culture. One of the must-visit attractions in Lucerne is the Chapel Bridge, a wooden bridge that spans the Reuss River and offers stunning views of the city and lake below. Visitors can walk across the bridge and enjoy the many street vendors, shops, and cafes located nearby. Another popular attraction in Lucerne is the Museumauer, a well-preserved medieval city wall that provides a glimpse into the city's rich history. 5. The Matterhorn. The Matterhorn is one of the most recognizable mountains in Switzerland and is a popular destination for mountaineers, skiers, and sightseers. With its dramatic peak and breathtaking views, the Matterhorn is a must-visit destination for those interested in Swiss nature and adventure. Visitors can take a cable car or hike to the summit of the Matterhorn for an unforgettable experience, or simply enjoy the views from the nearby towns and villages. Additionally, there are many guided tours available for those who want to learn more about the history and geology of the mountain. 6. Interlaken. Interlaken is a popular resort town located in central Switzerland that is known for its stunning views of the surrounding mountains and lakes. Visitors can go hiking, skiing, or simply relax and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of the town. Another popular attraction in Interlaken is the Aare River, which offers opportunities for rafting, kayaking, and other water sports. 7. The Rhine Falls. The Rhine Falls is the largest waterfall in Europe and is a popular destination for those interested in natural beauty and outdoor recreation. Visitors can take a boat tour of the falls, go hiking in the nearby hills, or simply relax and enjoy the stunning views. 8. St. Moritz. St. Moritz is a luxury ski resort town located in the Swiss Alps, known for its stunning views of the surrounding peaks and glaciers. Visitors can take a scenic drive or go hiking in the valley for an unforgettable experience. 9. The Swiss Alps. Last but certainly not least, the Swiss Alps are a must-visit destination for those interested in Swiss natural beauty. The Swiss Alps are a stunning mountain range that covers a large portion of Switzerland. They're known for their stunning views, skiing and snowboarding, and outdoor activities like hiking and climbing. The Alps are home to some of the tallest peaks in Europe, including the Matterhorn, the Eiger, and the Mont Blanc. The Swiss Alps are a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors every year. Visitors can enjoy a variety of activities, including skiing, snowboarding, hiking, and mountaineering. The Swiss Alps also offer a range of accommodation options, from luxurious resorts to cozy mountain cabins. There are many traditional mountain villages and towns in the Alps, each with its own unique history and character. With this I end my trip to Switzerland. Thanks.